Assalamu alaikum. I am engineer Mohammed Junaid. Today I'll talk about precast concrete files. Precast concrete files are structural elements used in civil engineering and construction projects to support heavy loads and provide stability to foundations. These files are manufactured off-site in controlled environments and then transported to the construction site for installations. The process involves castings concrete in reusable molds, allowing for consistent quality, accuracy, and precisions. Various types of precast concrete files exist to suit different soil conditions and project requirements, such as driven files and board files. The advantage of using precast concrete files include cost effectiveness, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. These files find wide applications in infrastructure projects such as bridge, buildings, and other structure where reliable foundation support is essential. So it's enough to know about precast concrete file. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.